NDC! 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 Service for Nigeria! Service for Nigeria! Service for Nigeria! Service for the youth of Nigeria! Service for all the women of Nigeria! Thank you very much indeed. Your Excellencies, and all members of your entourage, as you can see, even though you didn't want to come with a crowd here, you yourselves, you are personification of crowd, the two of you. And the crowd has followed you here. On behalf of my family, on behalf of the National Chairman, and all the members of the National Working Committee of our party, on behalf of the leaders of our party here assembled in no particular order, and on behalf of the teeming members of our party, well-meaning Nigerians from all over our country who in the last 5 months have defied all odds and doubts, conquered all doubts, and invested their trust and confidence in the dream and vision of this party. On behalf of all of them, I thank you all and I welcome you all specially to the NDC and to my humble home. I want to, on behalf of all of us in the NDC family, one of the youngest political families in Nigeria, but a family that no doubt is prepared to box above its weight. Yes, sir. I welcome you to Nigeria's fastest developing, fastest growing party. Yes. I welcome you all to Nigeria's most stable political party. I welcome you all to a party that has no faction. Yes, sir. NDC. To a party that has no litigation whatsoever. Yes, I also want to welcome you all to a party that does not know what is called status quo anti-balloon. I welcome you all to a party for the Nigerian women and youth. To a party of dedicated servants of the people like you are. Thank you very much for coming. And let me assure you, on behalf of our party's leadership, that you, the two of you, are one of the biggest political brands in our nation. Yeah. Okay. Our pleasure today that you are leading Nigeria to invest your time in this party. We are grateful in receiving you, and we know and we trust and believe. We know what you are bringing on board. The Nigerian people know what you are bringing on board to the NDC. There will be time enough for campaigns. There will be time enough when we unfold the political processes within the party. But you know, there is a saying in my place that if you have a beautiful daughter, and you have suitors, several of them coming. When you see a very handsome, good-looking, and good-looking doesn't feed a doctor, so you will also be interested in waiting in the pocket. By the time you like that suitor, my people say you don't even wait for the bride price to be paid.